Hi, this is Kathy Thompson. When we're singing, we need to be careful to not hurt our voice. When you go to the gym and you lift weights, you're doing something above and beyond normal because if you didn't, you would always stay at the same ability. So we have to push and stretch our limits sometimes a little bit. That's where we need to start to do it judiciously. We need to remember we only have one voice and we need to take care of our voice and maintain it. So if something feels wrong in your throat when you're singing, or if it feels hard or really uncomfortable, use your common sense. Don't do it. Let your voice rest. You need to be aware of your own instrument. I can't tell what anybody else's voice feels like. So I keep checking in. How does that feel? Is that okay? Because we do stretch highs and lows, volume. Be aware that if it hurts or feels wrong or is uncomfortable, don't do it. And be careful with your voice. Thanks.